Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to download and install MySQL Server on Windows operating system. So let's start with video. First, we have to open web browser. Within this, type MySQL download and just press enter. Now see, it is showing official website to download MySQL. So I will select this first one, MySQL downloads. So just click on it. Here you can scroll down the page, and here in downloads option is there, MySQL community server. See, if you scroll down the page, MySQL community server option is available within this downloads. So just click on it. Now see, it is showing files available for MySQL server. So here it is showing the MSI installer and zip files. So I want MSI installer for Windows. Just click on download button. Here it is showing login as well as sign up. So no need to sign up and login. Just click here on no thanks. Just start my download. So once you click here, download will get started. It is showing the download. Now see, download is completed here. So just click on this installer. Now setup is started. So just click on next button. Here it is showing the page for license and agreement. Just select I accept terms in the license agreement and just click on next button. Now see, here it is showing the setup type. So we have to select custom type of setup. So it is allowed for all users. So just click on custom. Just click on next button and install. Just click on finish button. Just click on next button. Now it is showing directory where to install MySQL. So I want to store it within C drive program files folder, program data folder within that MySQL. So just click on next button. Now see, it is showing port number. This is by default port number for MySQL, that is a 3306. So just click on next button. Now see, here we have to set password for MySQL. So I will set the password. And we have to remember this password because later we are going to use this. And here I am not going to create any kind of user. Just click on next button. Then it is showing configure MySQL server to the Windows service. Just click on next button. Here again it is asking about the server file permissions. So just click on yes button, grant the access permissions, and just click on next button. Again it is showing sample databases to be created. So I will select the create world database and just click on next button. Again here it is showing the configuration which is to be applied. So just click on execute. So it will get configured. Again select next option. Now it is showing the configuration for MySQL server was successful. So just click on next button. And here configuration is completed. So just click on finish button. Now friends, we'll see the example how to use command line client to create the database for MySQL server. So within search box, type MySQL. Now see, it is showing option MySQL configuration and MySQL command line client. So just click on this. Now see, here you have to enter the password whatever you set while installing the MySQL server. So I will enter the password. Once you enter the password, just press enter button and it will show that MySQL server has been started. Now we will see how to create a database. Suppose I want to create database as a STE. So I will type command create database and name of the database as a STE and just press enter. Now database is created and I want to check how many databases are available. So I will type the command show. To see the database, I will enter the command show databases. Just press the semicolon. Now see it is showing databases available. That is the employee information schema, STE, system, world. I want to create a table within this STE database. So I will type the command and the length having 20, use and name of the database. So we have created database as STE. So use STE. Okay. Now we can type the command create table students roll number, and we have to pass the parameter roll number and name of the student. Just press the enter. Now it is showing 0 rows affected. Means right now columns are created within this database. But we want to insert data into this database. So I will type the command insert into name of the database, that is the students values. Suppose I am passing roll number as a 1 and name as Deepa, semicolon and enter. Now one row is affected and suppose we want to see data inserted within this table. So what we will do, we will type the command select star from, and here we have to give the name of the table. So name of the table is students. Just give the semicolon and press the enter button. Now it is showing the record which we have added within this table. Now friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any queries related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video.